In 2019, Ghana began vaccinating children against malaria in some selected regions. The jabs, known as RTS, is the world's first malaria vaccine shown to produce a partial protection against malaria in young children. 2 years on, the National Malaria Control Program says about 70% of children who are targeted in the Central, Volta, Upper East and parts of the Bono regions have been inoculated. Program Manager Dr. Kezia Mom says, though the number is quite encouraging, it is important for the children to take all the 4 doses of the vaccines as stipulated.
As at the end of December 2020, we've been able to meet 70% of our target for the first dose. However, you realize that the proportion of children who come for the subsequent dose are reduced as we go down the doses. You know, you're supposed to take 4 doses. So we had recorded about 22% of our targets for dose 4 by December 2020. Yes, we know that it's expected that vaccines or things that you have to come back in the second year of life to get, usually it's a difficult thing to do. You get less children being brought for that. So it's expected that the numbers go down. But I think we need to put in more efforts to encourage people to come for this vaccine, because the fear of vaccines and the anti-vaccination campaign sometimes is having an effect on people accepting that this is an intervention that is not harmful.
Meanwhile, the National Malaria Control Program will be distributing mosquito nets to everyone in the country as part of efforts to realize its target of achieving reduction in reported cases and near zero malaria-related deaths.
We still continue to see a very high number of malaria cases being reported at our outpatient department. We are recording confirmed malaria cases in the millions. Last year, we recorded over 5 million confirmed malaria cases, and that is a number too many. We see that there are interventions that can help us reduce malaria. Let's all adapt and use these interventions so that we don't get malaria. For the rest of the country this year, we will be distributing mosquito nets to all people in the country. We kindly ask that if you happen to get these nets, please sleep in them.
And that's it for the AM News. For more news, you can go to myjoyonline.com. My name is Mapito Sibidi.